BrainyBubbas. Today we're going to learn to count from 1 to 20. Are you ready?
Yeah!
Let's make counting fun together.
Number 1.
1.
Let's say it together. Yeah, good job.
All right, friends, look at our special card today. This is the number
2.
Number 2. Let's say it together.
Number 2.
Yes, well done. Number 3. Let's say it together.
3. 3. 3.
Great job, everyone. Number 4. Let's say it together.
4.
4. Great job, everyone. Number 5. Let's say it together.
Number 5.
Number 6. Let's say it together.
Number 6.
Ooh, what's our number today?
7.
That's right, everyone. Eyes on the sign. Ready? Number
7.
Let's say it together.
Hey, look what Maya's holding, everyone. It's our new friend, number
8.
Number 8. Let's say it together.
Number
9. Let's say it together.
9.
Louder.
9.
Beautiful job.
Number 10. Let's say it together.
Number 10.
Louder.
Number 10.
Wonderful.
Number 11. Let's say it together.
Number 11.
One more time.
11.
Number 12. Let's say it together.
Number 12.
Yay! Number 13. Let's say it together.
13.
Woo! Great job, everyone.
14. Let's say it together. Number 14.
14.
14.
14. Yay!
Wow, you're doing amazing, BrainyBubbas. You've counted so well so far. If you love learning with us, don't forget to tap subscribe so you can keep counting, singing, and having fun every day.
Number 15. Let's say it together. 15. Ready, friends?
Yeah.
Number 16. Let's say it together.
16.
One more time, loud and proud.
16.
All right, friends, look at our special number today. Ooh, number
17.
Number 17. Let's say it together.
17.
Yes, great job, everyone. All right, friends, look right here. What number do we have?
8.
Number
18.
Let's say it together.
18. Yay!
Number 19. Let's say it together.
19.
Great job, everyone.
Number 20.
Number 20.
Let's say it together.
20.
Yes.
You did it. You counted from 1 all the way to 20. That's fantastic.
Keep practicing your numbers every day. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fun learning adventures.